Welcome to Homework Lib.
Let's first understand the problem at hand here. So there are three types of solvents: aromatics, chloroalkanes, and esters. And we want to see if the average sorption rate, which is how much is absorbed or adsorbed, are different for these solvents. And to check if there's a difference in the averages, we can use a method called ANOVA, which is an analysis of variance. And this compares the means of the three groups. The p-value helps us decide. If the p-value is small, less than 0.05, typically, it means there's a big enough difference between at least two of the groups. So we need to calculate the average and variability for each group and then perform the ANOVA test and find the p-value. Typically, you have some sort of statistics package to put this into a certain calculator or a program. This is not usually done by hand, especially with three groups of this size. And then you interpret the p-value. If the p-value is small, we would say that the difference is significant. And if it's large, we would say that it's not significant. So when I put this into an ANOVA calculator or a statistics package that has ANOVA built into it, whether this is Excel, whatever you may be used to using, I see that the F statistic is 24.51. That's a measure of how different the groups are. And the p-value that I see is 0.00000586, which is very, very small. And since this is much smaller than our standard level of significance of 0.05, we can say that there is a significant difference in the average sorption rates among the three solvents. So the conclusion would be that the type of solvent matters for sorption rates. To choose a solvent, you'd likely pick one with the highest average sorption rate, which seems to be the chloroalkanes based on the data. That would be the one with the highest average sorption rate.